Welcome guys, let's go blend pictures. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like the video and share the video as well. Here we're going to be using Photopea to blend pictures. I will go for the new project and then let me select any dimension here. Let me go for Facebook page cover and create. Let me see if I can give this another color. I will go for the background layer here. Right click and go for blending options. Then let me go for the setting. Okay, so right now let's go to Google to get some pictures. So let's get hold of this picture. I will go for my snipping tool and set the delay just 2 seconds and go for new. I will place my cursor on that picture. Let me go get a section of this. I think I will go for everything here. Then I will go for edit, copy. Let's go back to Photopea. I will go for edit and paste. So this is our first picture. Let's go for a second picture. Let's go for this picture. Okay, let me go for the snipping tool once again. So let me go get hold of this. Let me know if you would like to know how I get these pictures this way, getting a larger view of the pictures and equally making use of my snipping tool to get hold of each of them. Just let me know in the comment section if you would like to know how I did that. So I'll go for edit, copy. Let's go back to Photopea. Here I will go for edit once again and go for paste. So right now let me go for the first image. Okay, so what I will do here, okay, I will go for transform controls, then I will scale it from here, from this angle. We click and hold and scale it. I think that is okay. I'll go for confirm. Let's go uncheck the transform controls. I will take this picture right now, take it up to be above the layer 2. Okay, so right now let's go and scale it as well. I will go for the transform controls and make sure that this move tool is activated. It helps you move any item from one place to another, and make sure that the auto select is checked. So let's go for scaling. I will go for this. So right now you can see that we have 2 pictures here and I would like to blend them. We'll go for this left picture. Okay, you can equally have the options to select it from here. So I will go for that first one and then scroll down to this add raster mask. Click on that. Make sure that under this you can see that we have 2 colors here, black and white. Make sure that here is black. Okay, then go for the brush tool. Click on the brush tool, then go for this drop down and select this, the mechanical 24 pixels, and then increase it in size. If you place your cursor out here, you can see the size of it. So let's go for a bigger size. Okay, and we're good to go. So now click on the image starting from this second part, click and hold and take it down. Just keep on going down, keep on going down. Okay, you can see what we have here. Let me blend it once more. I can click just once here and let's take the water out. I will click once again, once. You can see we just blended the 2 pictures. With Photopea you can do a lot of things when it comes to editing. Okay, so let's go for human pictures. Once you are done with your blending, you can save your picture by going for the function file, then scroll down to export as, then PNG. Once that is done, have a look here, go add a name and save it. So right now let's go and get some human pictures. I will click and close, then I will go back for new pictures, then let's go for Facebook cover once again, click and then create. I can right click and go for blending options for a different color here. Let me go for this color and okay. So right now let's go get human pictures. Let me go for this picture. Let me use my snipping tool to get hold of it. I'll go for new and place my cursor. Then let's go get it. Okay, I'll go for edit, copy, and let's go for edit and paste. So let me go scale it once again. I will go for transform controls and then holding down the shift key on my keyboard. That will help me so that the picture will not be distorted. Okay, I will hold down the shift key on my keyboard and scale it from this angle. Let's see. Okay, we're good to go. I will go for confirm. Let me uncheck the transform controls and go back to Google. Let's go get another picture. So let's take this. Okay, I will go for my snipping tool once again, go for new and place my cursor on that picture. Now let's go get hold of it. Then I will go for edit and copy. Let's go back to Photopea. I will go for edit and paste. So, but I think I will go for a horizontal flipping here. So let me go flip this picture horizontally. I will first of all select it. If you have a look at the layers here, you can see that this particular picture has been selected. Okay, let's go for edit and navigate to transform. From there, we go for flip horizontally. So that is what we have. Good to go. So let's go blend these pictures. I will start from this. I will go for that and then scroll down to add a raster mask. I will click on that and then make sure that here we have black color. Then I will go for the brush tool. I will click on that. Then I will go for the drop down here and select soft mechanical 24 pixels. Okay, and let's go increase it in size. Okay, I think we're good to go. I will go for the interception here. Then I can click and hold and just take it down. Okay, let me go decrease the size once again. I'll go for 202. Then let's go click and hold. I will take it down. Have a look. We just blended the pictures. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Please remember you have your own part to play. I have played my own part by creating this video. So please help me share this video, like the video, and then follow us.